Hello there, let me tell you about our DH casters. We have a wide selection starting at 65 pound weight capacity all the way up to 1,000 pound weight capacity. This thing is a beast, and everything in between, like this little blue beauty. This one has the brake system, so you can get these casters with brakes, without brakes. It's really nice. It's got an on and off, it says. So you just pump the brake, turn it off. Swivel or rigid, which rigid will be non-swivel, just nice and sturdy. And then we also have them threaded bolt, stem, and as you see here, the plate mounted caster.